It is now.
You might remember me from Bubble Tea and attacking Meredith.
Yes. I remember that.
Ooh, let's see what she got.
What the hell is spider roll? This is what she got. This is Trisha.
What's that? That's
She's
not
that chick.
English.
I'm not sure what that is.
Salmon family roll. That's what that is.
Do you want me to get that? Is that
No.
what you're into?
What's that?
It's a salmon family roll. We got some mochi.
It is mochi. And this is me.
Who's that?
Professional. It's me. It's me.
That's my boo bear. We're in love. Don't be hating.
What are you guys gonna drink?
What can I drink here?
You wanna get? Oh, do they have a?
I don't like coffee. You want what?
No, I have to do
I don't think I should drink.
I don't think you should drink
It's the
either.
middle of the day and
Don't they have like high iced tea or something? This is a Japanese restaurant.
See, bring it back. Sea urchin.
I just want soda. What do you want to get? I just want or
Do you want sake?
I don't want to drink though.
we know.
Is that all they have? Oh
I
yeah.
was just wondering. So what are you drinking?
I don't know.
Alright, I'm gonna get you a Sprite.
I would say it's right.
Yeah, you know.
I want to drink it.
It's filling cup. I'm gonna get 3D in your face. Whoa.
Do you want to take this?
Oh, PG. This is a family-friendly restaurant, kids. What is that?
Seaweed salad.
What is that? That's more seaweed salad.
Mochi.
More mochi.
I don't want that. You don't like it? I don't like that.
I
have a non-alcohol Manhattan surprise.
Okay, I'm going to turn off the camera. Peace, bitches. Come on, say peace.
Peace.
Peace. Peace. Woo.